is going to be about how I achieve these crochet spring twists, and I use Beyond Beauty hair in the color T1B30. I cannot braid to save my life, so I decided to crochet my hair instead, and I'll list all the products that I used in the video as well. And please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, so let's get into it. These are all the products that I use. I use rubber bands, a rectangle comb, scissors, crochet needle, a clip, flat irons, and this is the hair that I use right here. There you go. And I use jam as well. So right now I'm just showing you what I've done so far. I did the back completely, and now I just have most of the front left. So I'm gonna take the flat irons and do about 3 to 4 passes on my hair. Then I'm going to take this rubber band and wrap it around my hair about 4 to 5 times. Then I'm going to take a dime size of jam and put it on my hair, just to make sure that none of my hair sticks out when I'm twisting it. Now I'm just going to fluff out the hair so I'm able to make 2 to 3 twists. Now that I separated the fake hair, I'm going to take this crochet needle, stick it through my hair, put the fake hair on the hook, close the latch, and pull it through. So I'm going to split the fake hair into 2 parts, and also split my hair into 2 parts and attach it with the fake hair, and then begin twisting. And you want to make sure you twist all the way down to the end of the hair. You want to make sure you cut off those scraggly, messy ends as well. And now you have a twist. So now you're just going to repeat the process, and I'm going to speed it up from here. So hope you guys enjoy. So I went off camera and sectioned this part of my hair, attached the rubber bands, and flat ironed it. So now all I have to do is apply the gel and twist. Here I am thinking I had one twist left until I discovered this. we finished. We're completely done. So now I'm just going to show you guys the finished results. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.